Welcome back to another episode of Shut Up and Do It Yourself. Today I want to show you this product I bought, and they don't sponsor me or anything, but it's a pretty cool product. I saw it on Amazon, and I got it. It's got its advantages and disadvantages, but I'll kind of go through that. So instead of routing your dryer exhaust out of your house, this thing, it captures the heat from that and puts it throughout your house. So you're kind of like heating your house with your dryer instead of wasting that energy that you use to heat up the dryer and it just going out of your house. And it definitely like turns whatever room that it's in into like a sauna. You can see it's steaming up our porch, like our porch outbuilding kind of room. But there is some things that you need to be concerned about. Even if so it's got a filter in the front right here, and that filter is for the majority of the air coming out, so you have to make sure that this stays clean. I usually have to clean it out like once, maybe 2 times a week. But it also has a little water catch at the bottom, so you can see all the lint that's collected in there. And as a fail-safe, if the filter and the water catch at the bottom get filled up, it has this little opening, so like if there's enough pressure to push this open, it lets the air out that way. But it does still put lint into whatever room it's in if you don't clean it out enough. And if that lint gets into your house and around the dryer, then it could get into the heating element and make the heating element go bad. So it's a cool product. It turns you like in the wintertime. It's nice because it really humidifies whatever area your dryer's in, and you're not wasting that energy and just shuttling it outside of your house. It's heating your house, but yeah, you just have to you have to watch out for that lint that comes out of this thing and clean it out regularly. But I definitely recommend it as long as you're willing to do the maintenance of like making sure that the area around your dryer is clean. Because it does make a large difference, and it is a cool product, and it's like a way to like save energy costs, because instead of just wasting the energy you've used on heating your clothes dryer and it being shot outside your house, it's heating up your house. So definitely a cool product. I recommend. I'll put a link to it in the description. This is not a sponsored video. I get no money from this, so I just thought I'd share that because I really enjoy it. It turns our porch into like a little steam room. But you can see I overfilled it with water. That's why there's water on the ground. But I don't really care out here because it's concrete floor, so whatever. And you can actually see steam coming out of this thing whenever after it starts going for a while and heating up that water. And then like probably every other load, maybe every third load, I'll fill up this little thing in the bottom with water. Just like while the dryer's off, I'll just open this up and pour some water in there. You can pull it out this way. It's like a little drawer, but that's kind of like, it's hard to like fill it up and not spill it everywhere. So shut up and do it yourself. Oh yeah, and all you have to do to install it is you have to get some of this hose, which I'll link in the description, and then one of these connectors. Otherwise, you're going to be like bending a soft hose at a 90-degree angle. Super easy. Again, shut up and do it yourself.